So this is my data collection project, and my survey was who went on more trips during the summer, high school students or college students. Here's my data set for the college students. From cells A2 to A26 was my survey. So the mean was 2.24, median was 2, standard deviation was 1.96, the minimum was 0, quartile 1 was 1, quartile 3 was 3, and the max was 8. The IQR was 2, lower limit -2, upper limit 6, out, and there was one outlier which is 8. So for the frequency table, 4 people went on 0 trips, 5 people went on 1 trip, 7 people went on 2 trips, 3 people went on 3 trips, 4 people went on 4 trips, 1 person went on 5 trips, 1 person went on 6 trips, 0 people went on 7 trips, and 1 person went on 8 trips. For the relative frequency table, the amount of people that went on 0 trips took up 16%, 1 trip 20%, 2 trips 28%, 3 trips 12%, 4 trips 16%, 5 trips 4%, 6 trips 4%, 7 trips 0%, and 8 trips 4%. Here's my box plot, histogram, pie chart, dot plot, and stem and leaf plot. Now this is my survey for the high school students. So from cells A2 to A26 was my data set. The mean was 2.72, which is a little higher compared to the college students. Median, which is 2, same as the college students, and standard deviation was 2.08, which is a tad higher than the college student. The minimum was 0, quartile 1 was 1, quartile 3 was 4.5, which is a little higher compared to the college students, and the max was 7. The IQR was 3.5, also a little higher than the college students, lower limit -4.25, upper limit 9.75, and there were no outliers. So for the frequency table, 2 people went on 0 trips, 7 people went on 1 trip, 6 people went on 2 trips, 3 people went on 3 trips, 1 person went on 4 trips, 2 people went on 5 trips, 2 people went on 6 trips, and 2 people went on 7 trips. For the relative frequency table, the people who went on 0 trips took up 8%, 1 trip 28%, 2 trips 24%, 3 trips 12%, 4 trips 4%, 5 trips 8%, 6 trips 8%, and 7 trips 8%. And this is my box plot, histogram,